another leader in our team. We're expecting him to be a leader since he's been a veteran for some years playing around the world. We know his abilities. We know he's someone who can score, who can defend. We know also that he's got leadership qualities. So those will be useful for a young team like ours. Tapos si Felix Limeti, we felt that he had potential. No? Noong nakita namin siya sa practice namin, sabi namin baka pwede itong magamit sa team. No, he's a true point guard, solid point guard. He can score and at the same time he can command yung yung team niya. So we're looking for somebody like that. Although meron kaming mga point guards na talagang have learned yung how to play our system and how to develop skills which we require in playing our system. Andyan siyempre si Andre, nandyan si Anton, si Adrian Nocum. I think pag pumasok si Felix, we can move him to the 2 spot. No? So para hindi masyadong masikip yung point guard, so we can still give them their playing time and their minutes. So, okay kami. Masaya kami dun sa nakuha namin. Sabi ko rin, dalawa yung first round pick namin. Of course, si Kaylan is a solid pick. And yung number 8 namin, our second pick in the first round, we felt we can take chances. No? Pwedeng sugalan. No? Kasi lahat naman sila, tag-isa lang pinili nila sa first round. Kami, dalawa. No? So yung isang pick namin, we will take our chances based on what we saw in practice. Also, looking at his credentials. No? He was starting for a Division 1 school. No? Starters at a Division 1 school. So you cannot go wrong with that. No?